In this lecture, we will see how to create this 3D practice exercise 1. This PDF and CAD file, you will get it in lecture number 1 resources. You can download it and you can use it for this training. Here you can see here elevation view, side view, top view. If you stand here, then if you look to this product, you will get it this area, that is elevation view. If you go to this side, that is side view, you will get it this side. If you go to the top, you will get it this top view. This is length of this product. You can see here 100 mm. This is width of this product. You can see here 150 mm. Height of this product 110 mm. You can see here 110 mm. We consider this one as a box, then we can make other all the thing. Go to the CAD, then click here new, then click here this drop down, select here open with node template metric. It will open like that. Then go to here workspace switching, select here 3D modeling, then only you will get it this all the 3D tool. Then go to here view, click here, choose here southeast isometric. This is southeast isometric. Select this one. Then select here realistic. Place it like this. Click the mouse center button. You can make it pan like this. Place it here. Then go to the box. Click here. You can select this box. Click any location. You can see here. Select here length. Then press F8 in your keyboard. You can switch on ortho mode. Make it 100. Then press enter. If you move your mouse, you can see the next direction. That is width 150. Press enter. Make it height 110 mm. Then press enter. Then go to the PDF. Now we created this box only. Next we need to make it this cutout. You can see here dimension 30 into 30. Go to here. Select here right or left. I select here right. You can see here our XY changed like this. So now this is our work plane. We can make here everything. Go to the rectangle, click any location, then select here dimension, make it 30, then press enter, 30, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and click this midpoint. Next we need to move this rectangle. We placed this location. We need to move this side 15 mm. You can see here 15 mm. Go to here, select this one, go to the move command, click any location, make it like this, press F8. You can switch on ortho mode. 15, press enter. Then go to the press pull, select this press pull, click this face, then go to this side, click here. Press escape key, then select this one. Using delete key, you can delete it. Next, we need to make it this area we need to remove, and this area also we need to remove. You can see here horizontally we need to make it 25 and vertically we need to make it 70. Go to here, then select here, click this drop down. You will get it here copy edges. Select this copy edges, click this edge, then press enter. Click this endpoint, place it like this 25, then press enter. Press escape key, again go to copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click this endpoint, place it like this, 25, then press enter, press escape key, again go to copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click here, place it like this, 70, press enter, press escape key, again go to here, press full, click this face, click here, click this face and click here, press escape key, select this all the 2D lines, delete it, then go to the PDF. Next we need to make it this chamfer, you can see here this chamfer and this chamfer. This chamfer horizontally 25 and vertically also 25. Go to here, then go to the solid tab, select here chamfer edge, select here distance, make it 25, press enter, 25, press enter, select this edge, press double enter, again enter, you can repeat the same command, press the shift and press the mouse center button, you can orbit like this, go to this side, click this edge, press double enter. Similar way we need to create chamfer this side and this side also. You can see here horizontally 25 and vertically also 25. Both the side we need to create. Go to here, go to the chamfer edge again. Here also it is 25, 25. We don't want to make any changes. If you want to make any changes, you can select here distance. You can make the changes in distance 1 and 2. Select this one, this edge, press double enter. Press enter, repeat the same command. Click this edge, press double enter. It is created. Next we need to make it this polygon. You can see here polygon size. Diameter it is 40. Diameter we need to make it converted to radius. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. So 20 radius, 40 divided to 20. So from this center to this point it is 20. Go to here. Before that you can do two things. One is you can switch on this dynamic UCS. I just switch on this dynamic UCS. Then I go to here. I select here polygon. You can make here number of side. I just make here 6. Then press enter. You can go to the face. You can see here now this face is highlighted. If you want to make it in this face, you can click this face. So which face you want, you can create. Now I click this face. I can create polygon like this. Simply enter. I just go to again. If I want to create polygon, I can create this face. This is one method, but I just select this one, delete it. I switch off this one. If you want to see this one dynamic UCS, you can go here. You will get it here dynamic UCS. If you don't have, you can switch on. That is one method, but I am going to do here, select here coordinates. Then I select here friend. Then I go to here polygon, make it here number of sides 6, then press enter. Then I go to here, click this location. You can choose inscribe. Now you can see your X and Y like this. Now you can create this polygon, make it 20, then press enter. Then go to the PDF. You can see here from this bottom it is 80. Total height 110. 110 minus 80, you will get it from this point to this point 30. Go to here, select this one, then go to the move command, click any location, make it 30, then press enter. Then go to the press pull, click this face and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Then go to here file menu, click here save, go to the desktop. I just go to the desktop. You can create your folder, right click, new folder. I just make here 3D practice. Then press double enter. That folder will open. Make here exercise 1. exercise 1, then save it.